Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to become Binance peer-to-peer merchant, trading merchant. Becoming peer-to-peer crypto merchant is easy with Binance peer-to-peer trading platform. Please, if at the end of this video, you find it very useful to you and helpful, subscribe to the channel to help me grow it faster and hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving my new video. The topic of today is how to become peer-to-peer merchant and start making money as a peer-to-peer trader. Without wasting your time, let's go directly. So the first thing is you will after log into your account. If you don't have an account, open a new account with Binance and make sure that your account is verified. We have a video for how to register new Binance personal account, and we have a video for how to verify Binance new account. Will check the video in our description. So if you have your account and your account has been verified, log on to your account and over your cursor on trade, then click on peer-to-peer here. Click on peer-to-peer. So from there we click on peer-to-peer user center. Click on peer-to-peer user center. The next step is we click on become merchant. Click on become merchant. You can see a new window will pop up. The first thing that I'll point out to us is that there's a basic requirement that we have to be that have to be met before we become a Binance peer-to-peer merchant. To become Binance peer-to-peer merchant, you must meet the following requirement. The one is you have to complete your SMS and email authentication, that is verification. 2, you have to complete advanced identity verification. We'll make a video on the advanced identity verification. Then the most important one, the third one, is you have to have minimum of 1000 BUSD in your account. You can see minimum amount of 1000 BUSD must be available in your funding wallet. You know, we have different type of wallet. We have fiat and spot wallet, we have margin wallet, then we have funding wallet. Minimum amount that must be available is 1000 BUSD in your funding wallet. Now, once you meet the above criteria, what you need to do is just to click on apply now. By the time you are verified, you meet this apply now button will be enabled. So you just click on apply now button. So click on apply now button on Binance P2P merchant application page, which will enable you, and you'll be able to click on it and start your application. What we are saying is that by the time you have met all these requirements, you'll be able to click on this apply now, which will kickstart your application to become a Binance P2P peer-to-peer merchant. Thank you. If this video is useful to you, please like the video, share the video with your friends and family, comment on the comment section of the video, thumbs up for the video, and if you have not done so, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever we release new video.